So the dish that I'll be doing today is one of my favorite food. It's easy to do and very flavorful at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you're gonna try, I hope you'll enjoy doing this one also. So today I'll be making pasta or spaghetti al vongole. So first ingredient that you will be needing, your spaghetti. You can use linguine or any other pasta that you want to use. Garlic and onions. Cut parsley. Peeled tomatoes cut in cubes. Clams, small ones. Salt, pepper. Cream, cooking cream. White wine. And the most important part, a glass, and pour some for you. Okay, so first things first, before we do anything, you need to start boiling your water. You also need to put a little bit of, well, not a little, a good amount of salt on your pasta water, and also some oil. Oh yeah, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So with this one, I don't do measurements because I usually do eyeball. This one you could do a little bit less. For this one, for the peeled tomato, I'm gonna make a video for how to make peeled tomatoes. With the garlic, I only use 2 cloves. Okay, so here's a trick if you want to peel your tomatoes. Okay, first you just need to put a little bit of an X at the bottom, and then what you do is you put this in a boiling water for around 20 to 30 seconds, and when this one peels off, it means that this is ready for filling. Okay, so like I said, to peel the tomato, you need to put an X incision at the bottom of your tomato. Next thing is to just put it here for around 20 seconds more or less. Okay, so now this one is done, maybe around 30 seconds. So what you do is you just put this in a ice cold water until this one cools down, and we start peeling. Okay, so now your tomatoes are cold. What you do, this one's easy. You can just pull this one. So I got some boiling water now. I added some salt already, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you want. After that, let it go to boil again. And then this one, always follow the instruction on using instant pasta noodles. If it says around 8 to 9 minutes, cook it at around 8 to 9 minutes, so you will get the al dente pasta that you want. So yeah, so this one I will cook this for 8.5 minutes. Okay, so while your pasta is being cooked, it's time to do or cook the clams first. So first things first, turn on the heat, put it there, add a little bit of oil. Okay, so once your oil is hot, okay, put the clams. Put as much as you want. I'm gonna put a lot. I'm gonna put them all. Wait for a few seconds. And don't forget this one. You will put this. Now, we put the wine. Let it simmer there until it is cooked. Once the clams are open, it's good. You can take them off and then reduce the sauce. Save the sauce because we will need that for a later part. Okay? Okay, so now that the clams have opened, what we need to do is to just remove this and save the extra liquid. We will use that for the sauce. Also, the pasta is done. So yeah. Okay, once your clams are finished or cooked, what you need to do, get a pan, put some oil, small amount of oil. And we saute our onion and garlic. First you put your onion. And then your garlic. After that, you can add your tomatoes. Now you can add the liquid from the clams that you cooked. Add your cream. A little bit of pasta water. And now you can put your cooked pasta. Now at this point you could add your salt and pepper if you want to. I tasted the flavor of this one. I'm already good with the flavor. So I don't need to add more salt and pepper. Add your clams. And that's it. You got yourself some pasta al vongole. The parsley is for decoration, so we will put that a little bit later when we're going to plate this one. Okay, so now time to plate this one. Get yourself some bowl. Okay, now the finishing touch is just a small amount of parsley. To give you some greens. And now that is your pasta al vongole. Okay, so I did a little mistake. I added the cream too early. So what you should do is put the pasta water and the clam liquid first, reduce that, simmer and reduce, and then add your pasta. When it's warm, add your cream, mix a little bit, and that's it. Also, the cream is just an optional. If you don't want to put the cream, you can remove the cream. If you like the video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. So until next time, thank you. Bye!